As a mentor at the SOFA team, I'm supporting the participants in becoming their best selves and in encouraging and empowering them for their projects. My name is Christine von Fragstein. I've been working in the film industry for 20 years. My company is called Change Animal and I'm a mentor for SOFA since 3 years. In the Zoom conferences, we discuss with each other in a very open way. What is the status of my project? What kind of expertise do I need for the next step? We believe in this community because we think that people get empowerment in a collaborative co-creation process. We will on one hand work together in face-to-face workshops, and on the other hand we dedicate a lot of time now to develop blended learning,